In this video, I will show you how to check laptop screen size on both Apple and Windows products. Now, if you're using an Apple product, such as MacBooks, you're gonna have to simply click on this Apple logo in the top left corner and then simply go to System Settings. Then you're gonna have to scroll down to General and click on About, and here we have the screen size and resolution. Now, what you can do also is simply go to this website, which is called displayspecifications.com, as you can see, and maybe you have an external monitor. You can simply type in the monitor model and name, and here you're gonna have all the details. And you can also search for your laptop name and then simply add screen size, and then you're gonna have all the details that you need. So basically that's it for today's video. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.